what is your staple food? So you have also visited Thailand.
Yes.
And what is your skincare routine? Korea also have monuments. Guys, तो कल हम लोगों को 2 कोरियन फ्रेंड्स मिले थे, मतलब मिले थे, उन्हें फ्रेंड बना लिया हमने। पहले हम लोग को मिले थे वो बंगला साहिब गुरुद्वारे में, फिर इंडिया गेट पे भी वही मिल गए थे। तो इंस्टा पे मैंने कनेक्ट कर लिया था और मैंने कहा अगले दिन का जो भी आपका प्लान होगा आई विल होस्ट यू गाइज, या फिर साथ में चलेंगे ऐसा। तो अभी हमने साथ में प्लान बनाया हुआ है लाल किला का। वो लोग भी लेट हो गए, हम भी लेट हैं, पर अब उनके यहाँ से तो पास में है क्योंकि वो दिल्ली पहाड़गंज में रुके हुए हैं, हमारे यहाँ से दूर है। तो सुबह हम लोग बढ़िया खा करके नहा धो करके, सुबह नहीं यार मतलब मेरी सुबह हो रही है, टेक्निकली दोपहर हो रही है, 1 बज रहे हैं। अब हम लोग निकल रहे हैं लाल किला के लिए। हम अपनी गाड़ी लेकर के निकल चुके हैं रेड फोर्ट के लिए, जैसे कि मैंने बताया था। और अभी जो हमारा गूगल मैप है वो एस्टिमेटेड टाइम बता रहा है कि 1 घंटे यहाँ से लगेंगे और 2:38 पे हम लोग पहुँचेंगे यहाँ से रेड फोर्ट। तो देखते हैं एक्चुअली में उतना ही टाइम लगता है या पहले पहुँचते हैं या क्या होता है। और अभी मेरे पास जो कोरियन फ्रेंड है उसका नाम है जून। तो अभी मेरे पास जून का कॉल आया था एंड ही सेड कि ही गॉट सम इन्फॉर्मेशन, उसको कुछ जानकारी मिली है कि लाल किला जो है वो बंद है। तो मैंने बोला कि तुम एक बार जा करके देखो, अगर बंद हुआ तो ही विल कॉल मी, और खुला हुआ तो भी। और चलते हैं फिलहाल, तो पहले तो जून से मिलते हैं। अगर बंद हुआ तो कहीं और चले जाएंगे, हुमायूं टॉम जाने का उसका मन है, या फिर आसपास में और कुछ, या फिर उसको थोड़ा लोकल फूड भी ट्राई करा देंगे। कल रात को मैंने उन्हें पान खिलाया तो था, बट मेरे पास उसकी ऐसा कोई वीडियो नहीं है। और आज उनको गोलगप्पे वगैरह खिलाएंगे, कुछ इंडियन फूड, देखते हैं क्या रिएक्शन रहता है कोरियंस का। और साथ में ही हम उनसे कुछ बातें। भाई मौसम इतना प्यारा हो रखा है, मतलब देखो यार, ऊपर बादल छाए हुए हैं, एकदम बहुत प्यारा मौसम हो रखा है। और मेरे साथ है रौनक पाठक, और मैं दिल से चाह रहा था कि भाई इतना अच्छा मौसम हो रखा है, थोड़ी बारिश ही हो जाए, और बारिश हो गई भाई। दौलत कुआं के आसपास बारिश हो रही थी, मज़ा आ गया। सामने अभी आप देख सकते हो, ये है राष्ट्रपति भवन का बैक साइड, बैक डोर। चलो हम चल रहे हैं राष्ट्रपति भवन। राष्ट्रपति जी होंगी तो बात कर लेंगे, पर मेरा अभी उनसे बात हुआ, उनका मैसेज आया था, वो बोली अभी वो अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो हम फिर कभी मिलेंगे। बाय बाय। तो अभी हम हैं चांदनी चौक मार्केट वाले रोड पे, यहाँ से लाल किला 1.2 किलोमीटर्स है। हम गाड़ी पार्क करेंगे। तो अभी मैं तो लाल किला पहुँच गया हूँ, गाड़ी लगा भी दी है, पर अभी वो लोग आ रहे हैं क्योंकि वो थोड़ा चांदनी चौक मार्केट चले गए थे घूमने के लिए, कोरियन फ्रेंड्स। तो पर पंगे की बात ये है भाई, लाल किला बंद है भाई, क्योंकि 15 अगस्त को वो होगा ना, फ्लैग होस्ट होना है, ध्वजारोहण, तो उसके लिए यहाँ पे तैयारी चल रही है, तो बंद कर रखा है भाई अपने कोरियन लौंडे आ चुके हैं, और वो किसी पता नहीं कहाँ पे खड़े हैं। उन्होंने बोला उनके सामने ये लाल रंग का मंदिर है ये वाला, तो या तो वो इस सामने होंगे या सड़क के उस किनारे होंगे। तो देखता हूँ मैं उन्हें किस साइड है।
So good.
So now we have met our friends June and what was his name? I forgot. You know. And Lal Killa तो भाई बंद है. Lal Killa is closed today. So we are going to Humayun's tomb, right?
Yes, Humayun.
And it is 7.5 kilometers away. We are going to the parking first. हम अपनी गाड़ी तक पहुंच गए हैं और गाड़ी से चलते हैं. So come to the first seat. Going to Humayun's tomb. और बस वहाँ पर I wish कि we will be able to visit there because of that. So how are you feeling, June?
Oh, good. So here is AC. I love AC. So cold.
Is impressed with
So
the
hard day before you meet.
just having difficult time in the traffic.
Yes.
Yeah. You guys are married?
No, I'm not married. I have a girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend?
Yes.
So you're serious about her?
Sorry?
You're serious about her, or it's a casual?
Serious.
Serious?
I'm only serious.
Yeah, only serious. That's nice. So, how will you rate an Indian girl?
Indian girl.
Yes.
Indian girl. If I don't have a girlfriend, I think positive.
Okay. And how much you will rate an Indian girl?
Dating.
Rate out of 10.
Sorry?
Rate out of 10.
Rate.
Yes.
Indian girl.
Yes.
Indian girl.
I'll show you some beautiful.
Yes, I actually I didn't see. I couldn't see many girl in India.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
I can remember only men. There is a lot of men, not girl. Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you some girls around. Okay, and one more question I have. The question was, can you tell me a point where you are scammed? I want to
Scammed?
know you are scammed.
Today?
Yes, how today or yesterday?
Uh-huh.
How people are scamming you?
Okay. Today I tell you. I met the bike rickshaw driver.
Okay.
Yes, he was so great first time.
Okay.
He told us he showed the main road in front of
Front of the Red Fort.
Yes,
Okay.
I can remember that road name. But he told 10-10
Hmm.
we are two.
Okay, 10 each.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So we say yes. So let's go.
Hmm.
We were waiting for you.
Okay.
So we took the bike.
Bicycle,
And-
to the Chandni Chowk Bazaar.
Yes, and next time at that metro gate,
Hmm.
he said us 10-10 was not rupee.
10 not rupees.
Yes,
10 dollars.
Yes, dollars.
Oh my god.
He said if we don't have
Dollars, huh.
you guys have to pay 500.
500.
Yes.
Oh my
So
god.
we gave just 34.
So you're saved
And
from
say bye.
scammed. Perfect, you did the right thing. 10 rupees is enough यार. मतलब तुम लोग कम से कम हमारी इज्जत रख लो नालायकों. That you have been to Bodh Gaya.
Both of them was so good.
So I want you to just simply differentiate. How is Gaya is better than Delhi or Delhi is better than Gaya? What do you think?
Gaya was not complicated.
Not complicated.
Yes.
Pretty simple.
Yes, simple and not there was not scammer.
No scammers.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Delhi has a lot of
Yes,
scammers.
so lots of scammer. Yes, and the air is more dirty.
Delhi is more
Yes.
polluted. So I loved your comment because I'm also from Bihar. So I loved that you liked Gaya more than Delhi.
Yes.
And if even the next time you come in Delhi, just contact me. Even if any of your friend is visiting Delhi, let me know.
Thank you.
I'll host them for sure.
Thank you.
Because I love to travel and make friends. Simple. And I get some content as well.
Yes, thank you.
It's a win-win situation. What is your staple food?
What food?
Staple food that you eat every day?
In Korea,
Yeah.
we eat every day. We eat
Noodles?
rice.
Rice.
Rice,
Sticky
yeah.
rice. Normal rice or sticky rice?
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Yes.
You make rice balls.
Yes. Is there sticky rice in India also?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Sticky rice balls. There are Korean restaurants in
Which
India.
dish you make?
Uh,
Sticky rice.
Rice balls
Rice-
and
rice rolls.
rice balls.
Rice balls.
Rice balls, which is I think it's a Japanese dish maybe.
Yeah.
Sushi?
Sushi.
Yeah.
Isn't it onigiri?
Onigiri.
You don't know?
I don't know. We make
It's
sushi
like,
for sticky rice.
It looks like this, just ball. Yes.
Okay.
Rice ball. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's in that shape.
Okay.
It's in
Original
triangle
onigiri
shape.
is triangle shape.
Okay.
Yes.
Triangle shape rice ball.
Yes.
So you put some sheet or chocolate something inside it or
Chocolate? Really?
I thought might be
In the rice?
Yes, that can be possible. That will be a chocolate rice ball.
Wow, really?
Innovation.
Oh.
You will get that type of thing in Delhi. So
Some momo.
you guys have rice balls daily and noodles oftenly or regularly?
Regularly also noodles.
Noodles.
Yes, but most is rice.
Okay, mostly
Yes.
rice. And no roti.
Sorry?
Roti, no
Chapati.
roti. Chapati, no chapati.
No chapati.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is your skincare routine? Why are you so bright?
I think I born in white.
You're born white.
Born white.
No, you're so fair. So do you follow any skincare routine?
I use toner. You know toner?
Yes.
Toner and some ampoule or essence.
Essence.
Yes,
Okay.
and cream. I use just 3.
Oh,
Yes.
because in India, what many brands are doing, they sell Korean treatment, Korean skin treatment, Korean face wash, Korean facial kit.
Really?
Yes,
Oh,
and
wow.
people are crazy about it just because of the quality of the skin Korean people have.
Korean means it's good skincare item.
Yes, in India.
Interesting.
Yes, that's definitely interesting.
You know Olive Young?
Only Young?
Olive Young? No.
No.
This is a very famous Korean cosmetic store in Korea.
Oh no, I'm not really much aware about foreign brands. So that's the problem. I even don't know much about Korea.
BTS Army.
BTS Army.
How about you? Which part do you know about Korea?
So I studied. I just know little about it. There's North Korea and South Korea, and I get to know more about because of that series I told you, na. Yes, cause I learned driving when I was 14 years old.
14.
Yes,
Wow.
and it has been 12 years I'm driving.
Isn't
and-
it illegal?
Yes, that was illegal. No worries, I never drove on highways, but I know how to drive at 14.
Wow.
So yeah, it has been already 12 years. That's why I can multitask and drive. So I think in Korea the steering is at that side, right?
Yes.
Yes,
The steering wheel
right,
is at
right,
the that
yes.
side. That is left side drive, and this is
Yeah.
right side drive. So do you know how to drive?
Yes.
Would
I
you
have
like to
fun.
try?
Oh.
He already drove in Japan.
Yes,
Japan.
Japan is same shape.
Yeah.
Okay,
same
right
shape.
side. Okay, perfect.
But,
So
but, but Indian road is so
crowded.
There's no rule.
There is rule,
Yeah.
but people oftenly don't follow.
I'm
Even I am
afraid.
breaking the law by recording this. But the car is stopped, so it is legal. But I can give you a try, but at a road which is empty, which is not so nice.
yes, okay.
If you really
Thank
want
you,
to.
okay.
Because if I am, I love automobiles, I love cars.
Yes, yes.
So if I get a chance to drive any international car, I'll definitely do.
Really?
Yeah, I like to drive different type of car, different types of bike.
Which car have you tried?
Many. This is Tata Punch. I had tried Maruti Alto, and international, no international, only Indian brands. Maruti and Fortuner, Scorpio, Bolero,
That is
Pajero.
all of them
Indian.
is Indian.
Yes. I haven't tried foreign cars. I want to try Lemo.
Lemo?
Yeah, I want to drive.
Want to drive.
Green Lemo.
Lemo.
I don't know Lemo.
You don't know
Lemo,
Lemo? It's a Lemo. It's a long car.
Long car?
Limousine.
There's brand name or
It's a car name.
car name?
Yes.
Lemo.
You know Mustang? GT
Mustang.
Mustang.
Mustang. I know Mustang.
I prefer Mustang as well, but there is a car Lemo which is long car. It will be much longer than this car.
His brother used to drive Mustang.
Okay.
My brother, older brother,
Huh.
had the Mustang 5,000 cc.
5,000 cc's. Oh my god. You had tried that?
Yes.
How it feels?
So noisy.
But as a car lover, that noise is heartbeats.
My brother has many cars.
Many
So many
cars.
cars.
Oh wow. I
Now
want to.
He has 5 cars.
Oh wow.
4 or 5 cars.
Nice. I also want to create a car collection, but I'm not rich. I'll have to earn money. Your brother is rich, that means.
You love car.
Yes, I love cars.
You have to have some idea.
Okay, one more question. As you have already told me that you are a physical education teacher in
Yes.
Korea. So how much money a teacher can make there?
a month.
A month.
A month. In rupee.
No, let me know in your currency. I'll translate. I'll I'll
Oh no, I'll
calculate.
let you know in your currency.
Okay, sure, perfect.
About. I have a.
You'll try. I think 1 rupees is 20 yen or 40 yen.
15 won.
15 won.
Their currency is won.
Won.
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
50
50 won. 1 rupees is 50 won.
Yes. About 200,000 rupee.
200,000 rupees.
Yes, about, yes.
200,000 is 2 lakh. No, it's 20 lakh. Nahi. 2 lakh. Huh. 2 lakh rupees. It is 2 lakh rupees. So a tutor there makes 2 lakh rupees a month.
Yes.
That is a huge amount here.
Yes, in India.
Yeah, in India.
Yes. But in Korea, I'm not
Not rich.
Not high. Yes.
So you are, you can say middle class,
What is it?
financial class, middle class.
Class. We don't have, actually we don't have class.
Really like this, there is no class there, because in India it is classified in middle class, lower middle
Yes.
class, poor, rich,
But,
before
but you have jati.
Yes.
Jati,
yes.
yes, Brahman Jati. I am Brahmin and he is also Brahmin.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. We wear this thread.
This is
Janeu.
my first time talking with Brahman.
Yeah. So we are the top of this caste.
Wow.
We are the supreme.
You want to stop?
Yes, Brahmins are on the top.
Oh, this is Brahman.
But
Yes.
is there? Are there every Brahman? Arati?
Worship.
Arati?
Arati
yes,
puja.
Yes, Arati.
Yes, yes, yes.
Puja like that.
Yes.
I
So-
think Brahman people do that.
Yes.
Isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes. So we are the son of Brahma.
Uh-huh.
We have 3 god in Hindu Dharma. Major god, Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma.
Yes, yes.
So Brahmins are son of Brahma, the third lord.
Oh, really? Yes.
And we are authorized to worship God.
Yes.
We are the closest to the God. Yes. And which God you guys worship? Christian?
Yes, I'm
Christianity?
Christian. I'm Christian.
Okay. Both of you?
Yes. Sorry.
Both of you.
No. I don't know about. I don't know about her. He's thinking. Yes. Once we used to go church together.
Okay.
But he finished it. Only me go.
Okay,
Yeah.
so he is not religious. Perfect, man. You are the perfect. Because even I don't believe that much in God. I know that there is a
But you're
God.
Brahman.
See, I am a non-believer, but I believe on practical things, not the fake things
Yeah,
around.
really.
That you will not.
You mean the God is fake?
Nah, I say that God is there. The God is real, for sure. But people create fear around him.
Yes.
They
yes.
do this, otherwise this will happen. Do this, otherwise this will happen.
Yes.
Worship him, burn candles,
Yes,
burn
yes.
the no. The God will not ask for these things, na?
Yes,
He is supreme leader.
Yes.
So
Oh,
why he will ask for?
interesting.
Yeah. So why he will ask? In Christianity, we got to know that God is our Father. No father will ask his son to burn a candle every day for himself.
Then is your personal opinion or the
My personal opinion. No, my personal opinion.
How about you?
So what's your opinion on this?
Sorry.
What's your opinion on this?
My opinion.
Yes.
About what?
About this burning candle in church?
In India.
No, in your religion.
My religion have like that the ceremony.
So
less ceremony in our church.
Oh yes.
The most important thing in our religion is Bible. Bible is most
I know.
important in our church. Yes.
Just
So-
like the
So that's why my church name is Bible Baptist. Bible.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
The same, matlab, we follow Bhagavad Gita. You know Bhagavad Gita?
I don't know.
Bhagavad
It's our
Gita is
holy
also a
book.
holy book, just like the Bible. You have.
In Hindu.
Yeah, in Hindus. In Sanatan Dharma, the holiest book is Bhagavad Gita.
Now you have to park.
Yes, we'll have to find a parking.
Yes.
Let me ask someone. They can't scam me. We have reached Humayun's tomb. We have parked the car and we are going to the main entrance gate. Let's go.
I have a question. No, every Brahman working in temple?
Yeah, Brahman work in temple, but I don't work in temple because
Because you
they.
don't want.
No, it's not like this. It's like ki there are so many Brahmins, but there is limited temple. So someone who follows the Brahmanism from the beginning, from the younger
yes,
age,
yes.
they are placed in the temples.
Yes,
I can try,
Uh-huh.
but I don't want to.
I understand.
Yes, because this is something complex. The pujas, the tantra sadhana, the mantras are difficult. We can have tickets from here only. Let's come this side. Please beware of water. We have finally reached Humayun's tomb.
We have similar history with Japan.
Okay,
Yes, Japan exploit.
exploit you guys.
Yes. So, but many Korean people don't like Japanese government and their attitude.
Okay.
They don't want to apologize to us.
Mhm.
We don't like about their attitude.
Oh.
So we don't like Japanese government, not but,
Japanese people.
yeah,
Ha, ha, ha.
Japanese people, yes.
I got it. Is a general statement.
But many Indian people don't have any emotion about the
Britishers.
British. Yes, it seems like to me. Yes.
Yes, you're right. We don't hate Britishers.
Yes, that's interesting point to me.
We hate Britain as well, but not that much. And there is one more thing that right now, maybe the governor, the main prime minister of Britain is an Indian person. You can Google it. So that's why it's okay. They have Uno reverse has been played. So you haven't been to Japan?
Yes, once.
Once.
Yes.
Okay, you told me that normal income for a tutor there is 2 lakh rupees per month. So what will be an average living cost
Living cost in Korea
in Korea for 1 month?
for 1 month.
Yeah.
It depends on
Just
style of using money.
according to you,
Yes, according to
your
yes,
lifestyle.
Yes, me. Yes. In my lifestyle, I think it is
Anything other amount?
14,000. I think.
14,000. Your currency or our currency?
Rupee.
Rupees. 14,000 rupees only.
14,000. No. Sorry.
1 lakh 40,000.
No. For 140,000.
Okay,
Yes,
140,000.
140,000.
Yes. So you'll be able to save 60,000 a month.
Sorry.
From 2 lakh, you can save 60,000 a month.
60,000.
Huh?
60,000 is so lot.
Yes, you
it's
said
too
na
much,
you
yes.
spend 1 lakh 40,000, you earn 200,000,
Yes.
then 60,000 is
Yes.
saved.
Sorry, I
I'm good in mathematics, I told you. Reached to Humayun's tomb. This is Humayun's tomb, and here's something written over here. And it is similar to Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal looks like that only. Yeah. Taj Mahal, yes. So if someone dies in Christianity, what is the final procedure?
In Christian
Yeah,
people.
but how you do the funeral? Funeral.
Funeral?
Yeah.
What is funeral?
장례식.
The last
yes,
process,
yes,
yes.
last set. It's like a ceremony, you mean?
Yes. Last ceremony, last rites.
Just you know, just Western the ceremony.
Yeah.
Just-
In your Christian,
Yes.
you keep in a box
yes, box.
and
Box.
then you put it in the land, buried them.
that is possible also, but most people burn.
Okay.
And we put that
Ash
bone burn. Oh yes.
Bones,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. And keep
in houses.
yes. No house.
No houses. Okay.
Some place for that.
Holy place. Okay. So you burn your ancestors. Matlab, who is dead? You guys burn.
Yes,
him.
my
Your grandfather.
my grandfather
Ah.
also. Yes.
So he was burned.
Yes. Yes.
Because in Hinduism we burn them, and in Muslim they bury them
Yes.
under the land.
There is difference.
Yes, that's why I was asking.
But there is both of that possible in Christian.
Okay, so both are possible in
Yes,
Christianity.
yes.
Perfect. That's nice. Korea also have monuments.
We don't have tombs.
Okay.
We don't have big tombs like it.
Okay.
Yes, but some palace.
Palace.
Yes, palace,
Okay.
yes. Not too big like here.
Oh,
Yes.
nice. So here's the entry for the tomb. Let's go inside. Britishers. It's the tomb. Yeah, Humayun. Can I ask you one thing?
Yes, yes.
Can you stay here in night?
Night?
Yeah, here.
I don't want, but I have to do. I can, yes.
Oh, that's nice. Because I can't. It's very dark and shady.
Yes.
The countries you have visited?
Japan.
Japan.
And Thailand.
Okay, Thailand. Oh.
Yes, good also. Thailand and Philippines
Philippines.
Yes.
Oh, nice country. I had worked with Philippines.
and in Europe countries.
Oh, nice. I'll ask him something. Why you talk so less?
Less because I'm focusing on the making
Making videos. Okay. So you have also visited Thailand.
Yes, Thailand.
What did you did there?
I just
이 사람도 이상한 생각하는구나.
I went Thai to make a video
Okay.
for a company.
You found any female male boy, female boy.
Lady boy.
Lady boy, yeah. Find any lady boy there?
No, I saw a lot, but
But you
I didn't talk
talk to
to
them.
them. Yeah,
So you guys took massage over there?
yeah, massage, just massage, just massage.
How was your experience?
Good, very healthy.
is so good.
Relaxing, yeah? Yeah. Nice. You guys are great, man. Object found during excavation at Isa Khan's tomb garden. Document. You know what? There are many Indian girls who are crazy about Korean boys.
Really?
Yeah.
But I think they are shy. Because nobody.
Approached you,
Yes, yes,
but you have a girlfriend,
yes.
so you should not think about it.
I didn't think about that. Just I say.
So, do you watch Bollywood movies or web
Bollywood.
series?
We watched the movie.
Which movie?
You know that?
Dangal.
The drama. You know drama 4.
Tamar. Show me.
I show you.
DHAN.
MA. M이었는데.
Dhamal.
It's Dhamal.
Oh,
Yes. Dhamal.
It's very funny. Yes.
Yes.
It's very funny
Insightful.
movie. Yeah.
But we
Feeling.
understand that feeling. Yes, yes. The story.
Nice.
We can understand the story.
So, you are talented if you can do that. I can't. I watch Korean K-drama or Korean animes in either translated or in English or Hindi.
Yes, yes, you need.
There's a app known as Crunchyroll which translates Korean animation in K-drama to our language. We took ice cream from Amul and these guys are not letting me pay. Ice cream, I took the western flavor chocolate and for them I got Rajbhog. How's it?
It tastes like cheese.
Tastes like cheese.
That's cheese taste.
Oh. So you are getting the flavors of saffron or you're just getting the taste of milk or cheese?
I cannot feel. Just it's like.
You are chewing it. Just lick it and have the juice and then you'll get the
Yeah, I
flavor.
will. Okay, I'll try.
Just give it a try. Lick it. And then feel the flavor.
Same.
Same. Okay.
But
Let's
it's
go.
good. It's good sweet.
Thank you for the ice cream, guys.
Welcome.
But this is bad manners. You should not pay. How do you spend your day in Korea?
Yes, I usually get up 6:30 and preparing and go to work and start
To the
at-
school.
Yes, go to the school and start at 8:30.
What's the most famous toothpaste brand there in Korea? Toothpaste brand.
Toothpaste?
Brush.
You
Yes,
use toothpaste?
Yes, toothpaste. Yes.
Yeah. Which brand?
Brand?
Yeah.
코리안 브랜드 애경이 제일 유명하지. AK.
난 그런 거 잘 모르겠다. I don't know.
2080이 애경 거잖아.
Many Korean people don't matter toothpaste brand, just use. I think.
domestic brand is very
Okay.
Yes.
Korean domestic brand.
How about you guys?
It's Colgate. Colgate is the most famous
Really?
toothpaste brand here.
Toothpaste brand is matter in India?
Yeah.
Oh.
People run for these brands because they want to sound cool. That I use this brand. They use more expensive toothpaste than more expensive.
Even in toothpaste.
Yeah. Like they'll compete the rich person in everything. They'll try to look rich.
That's why you use iPhone.
No, not.
I heard many Indian people like to use iPhone. Yes.
So yes, it is a type of luxury, but for me, I'm more comfortable with the iPhone. It gives more privacy.
Yes.
So I don't know if you have some domestic brand for phone there. You have domestic brand
Phone. Samsung, you know?
Samsung, yeah.
Yes, Galaxy.
Yes.
We have. Yes.
Also very famous. Samsung is also very famous over here.
Yes.
So you are brushed up, you are taking the bath, and you are out for your job.
Yes.
So you drive your own car. You don't use public transport for that.
Yes, I go to work by car, and
People.
It takes 40 minutes. About yes.
And what about you? How do you spend your day?
Since I'm a videographer, if the day is
Recording. You'll have to go for the shoot.
촬영 날을 뭐라고 할까?
Shoot.
If I go shoot,
Huh?
I go to the
Place and
by
your-
my car.
Oh, you also
and
have a car.
And the
Can you both guys name your car?
You know Kia?
Yeah,
Yes,
I know Kia. Kia is here
Yes,
in India.
it's Tesla.
Tesla.
Tesla. Oh, wow. So how much it will cost to buy a Tesla there? My sister is calling.
I have to search.
Search. Meanwhile, I'll have a call with my sister. So, yes. So your car runs on petrol?
Yeah. No, diesel.
Diesel?
Yes.
Okay. What's the price of diesel over there?
Sorry.
Price of diesel per liter.
Price, now about 100 to 120 rupees.
120 rupees?
Yes, now.
Oh my god. In India, it is around 90 rupees.
90?
Yes, diesel price.
와우, 진짜 비싸네. Diesel is
Diesel-
so expensive. Diesel is expensive more than petrol.
It will be no. Petrol is expensive than diesel.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
So petrol is 103 rupees per liter. What's the price of petrol over there if you know?
In our
In your country, Korea,
In our
yes.
country, petrol. I don't know petrol. My car is diesel.
So 127 petrol.
yeah.
Petrol expensive or diesel expensive in Korea?
Petrol expensive.
Petrol
yes.
expensive.
Petrol
So petrol is 127 and diesel is 120 per liter.
Yes.
ओके देख लो सालो इंडिया वालों, तुम लोग कहते हो पेट्रोल महंगा है, कोरिया से सस्ता पेट्रोल मिल रहा है तुम्हें. A teacher here in India gets only 10 to 20,000 a month only.
Yes. Yes.
In India, if you teach physical education, you will get 10,000 or 20,000 only
10,000 for a month.
for a month.
10,000, 20,000.
Yes. And in Korea, you are getting 200,000.
Yeah.
10 times.
10 times. Yes.
Yes. So you don't use CNG? Yes.
In Korea,
Your car is diesel or petrol?
My car is electric city.
Electric.
Tesla is only electric.
Oh
Yeah.
shit! I forgot. So you guys will have to pay for electricity as well, na?
City as well?
You'll have electricity. You'll have to pay for electricity.
Yeah.
Yes.
How much for 1 kilowatt?
1
1 kilowatt. Just 1 month. For 한 달 전기세 넣어도 되나?
1kW면은 내가 알아 얼마인지.
아 그래?
Just 1 unit, measuring unit.
전기차니까 he will say.
About 20 rupee.
20 rupees 1 unit.
Yeah. 1 kilometer.
1 kilowatt.
1 kilowatt.
Oh.
20 rupees.
It's expensive there. In India, it is 7 rupees.
7 rupee.
Yes.
Good.
I am asking
One
ki,
charging?
one charging. How much kilometers?
400 kilometers.
400 kilometers. And how much electricity it will consume for one charge?
About 18,000원이니까.
Sorry guys for these tough questions.
컨버트 모드 써봐.
1200.
핸드폰 계산기도.
1,200 rupees.
1,200
One
rupees.
charge, yeah.
You live with your parents and you live with?
I live
Hello.
alone. And I charge my car in my office.
You have an office. Your own office.
Yes, my own office, but
Wow.
the building is my brother's building.
Oh wow.
Not big building, just
How
fourth
many
floor.
floors?
4th floor.
4 floors. Nice. So you have your own office for videography.
Yes, this is making
Vi-
my
Interior of your office.
Yes.
So how do you earn from videography there? Like if you can give me some idea or anything.
I just make videos for others, so others
Pay you.
pay me. Yeah.
And what will they do from that video?
What? Sorry.
Nahin, someone buy video from you.
Yes.
And what will they do from the video?
For their business.
For their business.
Example, a car seller
Okay.
wants to make his video.
Okay, advertisement video.
So yeah. So I shoot for the video and edit and give the video to him, and he pays me.
Okay, so you shoot for marriage as well. You shoot for marriage as well.
What marriage?
Marriage.
videos. Marriage?
Marriage.
Wedding.
Wedding.
Marriage video. Yes,
You make it.
I should. Yeah.
How much you charge for one wedding?
One wedding. Sorry.
Calculate.
웨딩 영상 하는 거 어떻게 알았지?
music video is
16,680 INR.
16,000 rupees for one video.
to take
cheap.
videos. Just take videos.
Just for videos.
Not edit.
Not edit.
Not
And-
making, just taking.
Not making. Yeah.
Okay, just capturing the video.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for editing, extra charge? Or you don't edit?
No, I'm not editing, but the wedding company edit.
Okay,
the
and company
videos.
pays you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Company earn a lot of money, but they do not pay much.
Okay, because 16,000 is too low. In
Low?
India,
Low?
low.
Wow.
In India, a wedding photographer or videographer will charge around 80,000 to 2 lakh rupees.
Wow.
8,000.
To
To 2
customer.
lakh rupees. Yes,
Customer.
Photo.
for photo and video, both.
Video.
80,000.
80,000 is the minimum,
Mm-hmm.
and they can charge like 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, 20 lakhs, whatever they want. 80,000 is the minimum for a marriage video. Name any most famous festivals in Korea.
Famous festival.
Yeah. Maybe you celebrate Christmas, definitely.
Christmas?
Good Friday.
Christmas?
You celebrate Christmas
Yes.
and Good Friday.
Good Friday?
Hmm.
What is Good Friday?
Good Friday, then the day when Jesus died.
Jesus died?
Yeah, it's called as Good Friday. Don't you know about Good Friday?
부활절이 뭐지? I search. I don't know what can I say in English.
So Thanksgiving is celebrated there.
We have our own day similar with Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Okay. What it is called?
추석 in Korean.
Chuseok.
추석, yes.
Oh, Chuseok.
You know Easter?
Yeah, I know Easter.
Day,
Yeah. I know
We
Easter.
celebrate Easter Day,
Okay.
but we don't know about
Good
that
Friday.
Good Friday.
Do people in Korea drink and smoke?
Yes.
Drink alcohol
Yes, many Korean.
and
Drink
smoke.
and
They
smoke.
smoke as well.
Yes, but I'm not smoke.
You don't smoke.
Yes.
You?
I don't smoke.
You also don't
He
smoke.
used to smoke.
You? So he used to smoke.
No, I smoked in the past.
That means
But
na
now
you
I don't smoke.
now you don't smoke. Why you quit?
Because of my girlfriend.
भाई आशिक है. Lover is called आशिक in Hindi.
Ashik.
भाई अपना आशिक है. So you quit smoking for your girlfriend?
I stopped for 5 years.
아, 오래됐네.
And how long you were smoking?
5 years.
So what's the famous brand of cigarette over there?
Mm,
Is there any brand or domestic?
Yes, we have domestic brand also, but
Mebius. Mebius.
Maybe yes.
Mebius.
I don't know. That's what I'm asking.
Marlboro is famous too.
Yeah, Marlboro is.
Marlboro is famous too. Yes.
Okay, maybe yes. Okay. And what about alcohol?
Yes, I could.
You drink?
Yeah, I drink little. Sometimes.
What, beer,
sometimes.
vodka, wine, champagne,
I drink beer and whiskey.
beer and
Yes.
whiskey. And you?
Me too.
Same.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you tried any Indian brand?
Indian brand beer.
Huh? Tuborg.
타이거 저거 있잖아.
그
Kingfisher.
Yes,
Kingfisher,
Kingfisher.
yeah.
We tried. Yes, Kingfisher. Yes.
Nice.
Yes, but in India it's hard to find liquor
Good.
shop.
No, it's easy to find liquor
Really?
shop. It's hard to find a spot to drink.
Yes.
That's right.
India in Brahmins, it is not considered good.
Really?
So that's
Drinking, smoking,
huh?
all of them.
why. Yes, the brand of whiskey is famous there in Korea.
We don't have our own whiskey brand.
Domestic brand is
Yes, domestic brand.
We have, but that is
Kimchan
not huge.
I think you guys will use electricity or LPG gas or something.
I use electric.
Okay.
Yes, my home is electric. Yes.
Okay.
Use electric.
And what about you?
electric.
How you cook? Electric?
Yeah.
Completely electric. No fire.
가스레인지 쓰잖아.
거의 안 쓰지. 얼마?
Some people's house use LPG.
Okay.
Some people use electric.
Okay.
But heating is
Heating pot.
Heating.
water. 그런 거는 난방을 뭐라 그래?
Heating house.
Okay, heating
Yes,
house. You
heating
burn woods.
Yes.
Burn woods or electric that also?
Yeah, some people use electric, some people use
Wood.
LPG. Yeah.
LPG, okay.
Yes.
Most common vegetable in Korea.
Common
vegetable.
vegetables,
Yeah.
Onion. And,
Onion.
And garlic. Garlic more
Flavor.
common.
Okay.
Yes.
And
I heard that onion is most common in India. Most important vegetable.
yes, but we don't count it as a vegetable. It's a spice for us.
Really?
We use onion and garlic in every vegetable. Preparation of every vegetable.
Even garlic?
Yes, even garlic, ginger, onion, chilies, and coriander leaves is used in every single curry. So for vegetable, I can say potato is a vegetable, cucumber, carrot. Common fruit in Korea. Fruit. Yes.
Apple is common.
Apple.
Apple is common.
Imported
And
or
banana is common also.
banana is also common, but not that small.
Same
size.
Yeah, same size.
Okay, got it.
And
복숭아, 포도,
peach and
What?
뭐였지?
grape.
Grapes. Oh, nice. So, I'm just asking a question. As a Korean, what full meal like rice, this
Yes, rice
this curry?
and stew.
So what will please you the most? Your favorite dish?
Favorite dish, you know kimchi jjigae?
Kimchi. Yes, I have heard about
Kimchi
it.
jjigae, there's kimchi stew.
Kimchi is like flat noodles.
No. There's
I have heard this word
like
kimchi.
a pickle, Korean pickle.
Okay, kimchi is a Korean pickle.
Oh yes, it's famous in the world. Yes.
I have heard
It's
about
K
kimchi.
food. Yeah, K food.
Okay, so you love to have kimchi.
Yes.
And what about you?
Yeah, most of Korean like kimchi.
김치. 난 김치. This is 김치전.
This is kimchijeon. Dish with kimchi. Yes.
Okay, and what about you?
I like chicken.
Complete chicken will cost how much in Korea?
Very, very expensive.
Expensive.
How much?
Really?
It is मतलब per kg or per chicken?
More than 15,000 rupees.
15,000 rupees
Yes, expensive.
for one chicken.
Yes.
Oh my god. 15,000 Indian rupees, right?
Yes.
You can get here for 250 rupees. Do one thing, take few chickens with you. तो अभी हम लोग हैं पहाड़गंज की मार्केट में, क्योंकि जून को कुछ चीज़ें लेनी है यहाँ इंडिया से, और मैंने कार पार्क करके हेल्प करने का सोचा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इनको ठगने की कोशिश की जाएगी महंगे रेट में। पहाड़गंज मार्केट भैया मैं गोडाउन में ही लिया है, और अभी इसके और ऊपर लेके जा रहे हैं कि ऊपर और भी बैग्स हैं। Oh, wow.
I see this design for my mom.
This is cannabis.
Really?
Yes. So I made them try bhuja from the streets. How's it?
Indian taste.
Indian taste.
Indian taste.
Liking the flavors?
Yeah,
You're getting the chili and tomato flavor,
I can feel curry flavor.
curry flavor. Okay. This is complete mixture. जो ये इन भैया ने बना के दिया है, और बढ़िया बना के दिया है। मैंने भी ले लिया है। वहाँ पे कोरिया में से अनार नहीं होता तो मैंने लोगों को अनार ट्राई करवा रहा हूँ.
우리도 어떻게
वो कट कर रहे हैं और ही इज ब्लॉगिंग इट.
우리는 카드 회사에서 이런 거라.
They are having pomegranate. How is it?
Good.
तो ये है समोसे. प्लेट में दे दो ना यार भैया. चटनी इधर है. ठीक है. So this is samosa.
Mosa,
Samosa.
samosa.
Yes.
With sauce.
Yeah, sauce. Red sauce, green sauce. And this is desi sauce, green chutney.
먹어도 되는 걸까?
It will be a little spicy.
Okay. How about you guys?
I'm taking another bread pakoda. Can you express in words rather than good? How it's feeling? How it's good.
Good.
You speak less. You say, how's it?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Yeah, you get another word. सोचा भी नहीं हुआ कि ब्रेड पकौड़ा है फैसिनेट कर सकता है किसी को. And this foreigner are recording the bread पकौड़ा. He's filming it. How was it?
Very salty.
Very salty. You can rub off this salt. So above.
아 이거 소금이구나. 아 이제 salt.
Extra salt. So they are trying this Indian milkshake.
Yes.
You liked it? What's your favorite character from Marvels?
Captain. My favorite.
Captain America.
Yes,
I love Thor.
Sorry.
Yeah. He has infinity power. He's a lord. Iron Man. He loves Iron Man. And what about you?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. So it's the hardest part to say goodbye. Now I'm going to drop them at the airport. And I think I bothered them a lot. I asked too many questions. And I'm the most talkative person.
We were so enjoying. Yes, thanks for him.
You are saying this just to please me, but I can hear your inner voice that this
No.
person is annoying me.
No, I was so glad to talk with you. Yes, about India and Korea.
Yes.
Yes.
And I remember how I met you. I thought two people are trying to scam you. And I came into the picture that is, I should save you guys. And we clashed, we encountered each other again
Yes.
in Gurdwara itself.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
See you.
Okay, the next footage will be at the airport. एयरपोर्ट आ चुके हैं. टर्मिनल 3. We have reached terminal 3. And where should I stop? So it's time to say goodbye to my Korean friends. So how do you feel after spending a day with me?
So great.
So great.
So great.
Although I didn't say a lot, I feel very happy.
But you are the best guy, because in what we believe that the person who is silent is more knowledgeable and wise. So you're more knowledgeable and wise.
It was
It
so
was great
man.
to have
Yes.
conversation with you, bro.
I was so glad to.
Yes. You guys. Bye. Hello. Sayonara. Annyeong guys. Annyeong. Subscribe to Explore with Manish.
Subscribe.
Explore
Manish.
with Manish. Yes.
Okay, see you next time.
Bye bye.
See you next time.